Tired of rice that sticks to the pot or ends up burnt? With a rice cooker, you can say goodbye to those problems and always enjoy perfectly cooked rice. We've done the research and found the best rice cookers for you. If you are interested in any of these products, you can find the links in the description below. So, let's start. The first on our list is the Cuckoo Mikom rice cooker. The Mikom rice cooker transforms your kitchen routine by offering a versatile multi-cook function, allowing you to master everything from oatmeal to quinoa, along with 12 other menu options. Whether you're craving white rice, GABA rice, porridge, or even baby food, this device has you covered. Perfect for both small family gatherings and entertaining guests, it boasts a large 12-cup capacity, ensuring there's always enough to go around. Designed with ease of use in mind, it features user-friendly digital controls, a modern LCD, and fuzzy logic technology to deliver flawlessly cooked rice every time. The included rice measuring cup ensures precise measurements, while the non-toxic, non-stick inner pot guarantees durability and easy cleanup. With an auto-clean function that steam cleans the interior and a removable excess water drainage tray, maintenance is a breeze. Beyond its impressive cooking capabilities, this model stands out for its capacity to cook more food at once, thanks to its generous 6-cup capacity. It's not just about quantity. The quality of your dishes is elevated with 3 rice texture options: sticky, soft, and savory, allowing you to tailor each meal to your preference. Quick cook options across various rice menu choices ensure that delicious meals are ready sooner, all while conserving energy and reducing your eco-footprint. Furthermore, the Mikom rice cooker prioritizes hygiene with its detachable lid, excess water drainage system, and automatic steam clean program, keeping odors and bacterial buildup at bay. Its detachable cord adds an extra layer of convenience, making transportation and storage as simple as the push of a button. The second on our list is the Cosori rice cooker. This rice cooker brings a new level of simplicity and versatility to your kitchen, acting as your one-stop solution for a variety of culinary tasks. With its impressive 18 functions, this device enables you to cook different types of white and brown rice, grains, oats, steamed vegetables, slow-cooked soups, and sauté-flavored rice. It's like having a personal chef in your kitchen, capable of preparing breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all in one pot. Achieving perfect rice every time is no longer a dream but a reality with the Cosori rice cooker. Its fuzzy logic technology automatically tweaks the cooking process, ensuring fluffy, evenly cooked grains. For those in a hurry, the quick rice feature speeds up cooking without sacrificing quality thanks to its 1000 watt of power. User-friendliness is key, featuring a bright LED countdown, a touch display for easy navigation, and clear measurement marks for foolproof cooking. The added convenience of a 24-hour keep warm function and a delay timer means your rice is ready when you are, ensuring meals are warm and fresh. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe components, including the non-stick inner pot and removable lid. Despite its broad capabilities, the Cosori rice cooker is designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen without taking up too much space, thanks to its compact and efficient design. It can prepare meals for the whole family with a 10-cup capacity. The rice cooker's dual heating elements, with temperature sensors, minimize condensation, ensuring your rice is perfectly textured every time. The third on our list is the Toshiba rice cooker. This rice cooker is a testament to the blend of innovation and convenience, making it a must-have for any kitchen. This mini powerhouse features 8 programmable cooking functions, ensuring that whether you're in the mood for white rice, brown rice, mixed grain, slow cook, porridge, cake, or even eggs, this cooker can handle it all with ease. It's designed for those who appreciate versatility and convenience, capable of cooking a wide array of rice types and grains like jasmine rice, sushi rice, basmati rice, oatmeal, quinoa, and more, making it perfect for both families and individuals. What sets the Toshiba rice cooker apart is its smart cooking technology. It intelligently senses the moisture content in the rice, adjusting temperature and cooking time to guarantee perfectly fluffy rice every time. This level of precision ensures that other grains and dishes are also cooked to perfection, tailoring the cooking process to meet the specific needs of each food type. The cooker's 3mm ultra-thick inner pot, wear-resistant and infused with binchotan carbon, is designed to concentrate heat more effectively during cooking. This innovative feature ensures that the heat is distributed evenly, resulting in more fluffy and tasty rice. Ease of use is at the forefront of this rice cooker's design. With its intuitive control panel, large LCD, and straightforward programming, meal preparation is simplified. The Keep Warm Reheat function ensures that your rice remains warm and delicious for hours, while the 2 delay timers offer the flexibility to schedule your cooking up to 24 hours in advance. The package includes a measuring cup, spatula, and soup ladle, providing everything you need to start cooking right away. The fourth on our list is the Yum Asia Panda Mini Rice Cooker. The Yum Asia Panda Mini Rice Cooker is a true embodiment of small but mighty. This compact device offers perfect rice at the touch of a button, featuring settings for white or long grain, short grain or sushi, and brown rice, complete with a quick cook option. Its 7 cooking phases guarantee the best taste, texture, and aroma, automatically making it a staple for any rice aficionado. Equipped with advanced fuzzy logic, AI rice cooker technology, the Panda Mini features digitally controlled 7-phased 3D heating surround technology. This is complemented by a suite of useful add-on options, including steam, porridge, slow cook, and cake baking settings. The convenience doesn't end there. With a 24-hour preset timer and keep warm features, along with a 10-minute countdown for rice functions, this rice cooker is designed for those seeking efficiency and quality in their cooking endeavors. The quality of the Panda Mini extends to its construction. With a high-quality 5-layer 2mm thick Ninja ceramic-coated inner bowl that is durable and healthy, including embedded rice levels for precise cooking. Its modern bright LED display and Korean-designed smart button control panel are housed in an amazingly kawaii white and gray accented body, making it not just a rice cooker but a stylish addition to your kitchen. Ideal for small kitchens, individuals, or couples, the Panda Mini has a 3.5 cup capacity of uncooked rice, catering to 1 to 3 people efficiently. The cooker doesn't stop at rice. It's adept at cooking other grains like quinoa, couscous, millet, and pearl barley to perfection. The added functions for porridge, slow cook, steam, and cake baking ensure that this cooker is as versatile as it is compact. The last on our list is the Comfi rice cooker. This rice cooker is a versatile kitchen companion, offering 6 digital cooking programs to effortlessly prepare everything from white rice and brown rice to steam, slow cook, quinoa, and oatmeal dishes. Its 8-cup cooked capacity is thoughtfully designed to yield up to 8 cups of cooked rice, making it the ideal size for preparing both small meals and delicious sides, all while conserving kitchen space. Ease of use is a hallmark of this rice cooker, featuring a user-friendly digital panel and LED display. With 6 one-touch programs, it simplifies cooking to a single button press and includes convenient functions like a 12-hour delay timer for flexible meal planning and an automatic keep warm feature that lasts for 12 hours, ensuring your dishes remain ready to serve without losing freshness. Cleaning is no longer a chore thanks to the stainless steel external housing that wipes clean easily and a non-stick coated inner pot that makes washing by hand or in the dishwasher a breeze. The cooker is not only easy to maintain but also safe, featuring built-in overheating protection and constructed from BPA-free food-grade material. Its cool touch handle guarantees safe handling, providing peace of mind when moving the cooker. Beyond its primary function as a rice cooker, the Comfi rice cooker shines with additional capabilities like the steam function for healthy vegetables or proteins and a slow cook option ideal for soups and stews. And that ends our list of the best rice cookers. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect one for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.